Right, so we've already learned how to set up a website or online store. Now, let's check out how you can add products and other stuff to your store. We'll start by updating an existing product. So, let's head over to the Xpress site. Once you're on Xpress, go to the Store tab. Here you'll see the Store Manager. Under Store Management, you'll find sections for products, categories, and collections. If you click on products, you'll see a list of everything you've added to your store. To add a new product, just hit the blue plus button. But for now, let's update the Harbin Edge hoodie. Just click on that product. That'll bring you to the product edit page. Here, you can add new photos either from your gallery or by searching stock images. If you want a fresh photo, just search for it and add it in. It's super easy to drop them in right here. Next, if you need to, you can change the product name. You can also update the description, brand, price, and how many are in stock. You can set whether the product is in stock or out of stock, and you've got a few more options here too. For example, you can manage your policy info from a single place. You can even add or update product features while you're here. Once you're done, all your changes will show up live on your site. You can add a new feature by clicking plus add feature, or get rid of one with the delete button. You can also add details like what material it's made of, the fit, available sizes, and manage all of that. You can add product variants too, like color options or different sizes, say XL or M for clothing, and pick the color. Once you hit update, your changes go live right away. And if you want to add a brand new product, just tap the blue Add button. You can then upload pictures, enter the name and description, and control everything right from your phone. After you create a new product, it's added to your store. Let's back up a bit. There are also categories and collections you can use. You can organize your products into groups like casual streetwear or formal attire. And if you need a new category, you can make one anytime. You can decide which products go into which categories. And what's a collection? It's basically a group of products from different categories, like, say, a monsoon collection that brings together all your rainy season items in one spot. In the end, all your products, categories, and collections will be front and center on your site. That's how it all comes together.